You do realise that without my permission as a police officer you cannot use that video, and I can confiscate that as well if I need to. Alright then, at this moment in time you're detained under section 23 of the Terrorist Act, okay? 23? Section 43 of the Terrorist 43. Act.
This episode is sponsored by Free Times Audit, so be sure to check out the link below, subscribe to his channel, and give him the credit he deserves. In this episode, Auditor FTA is calmly filming the gates of a police station from a public sidewalk when 3 officers rush at him. The officer in charge, clearly out of his depth and stuttering, isn't prepared for a lawful conversation. Instead of thinking things through, he panics, makes threats, and unlawfully detains FTA, thinking his badge will protect him. But the joke's on him as FTA takes the case to HNK Solicitors, and the outcome leaves the officer with nothing but a humbling lesson.
How do you know that's what I'm doing?
Because you've got your phone out, you're pointing your camera towards personal cars.
Taking pictures of the fence.
What?
I'm taking pictures of the fence.
Why are you doing it?
What's it got to do with you? Do I come round to the side?
Alright, well.
Alright.
What are you doing?
Taking pictures.
Of?
The fence.
The fence? Why?
I like fences.
Like fences?
I went to the reception, she said it's fine.
Right, it's not fine, is it really?
Is it not fine?
No. Current threat levels at the moment, isn't it, for the police, and you're filming private cars?
Can you draw a step back a bit?
No, not at all. What's your name, buddy?
I'm not telling you my name.
Not telling his name? Right.
You don't need to, but you just need to grow up a bit, don't you?
Really?
Yeah. Because all you're doing is just trying to antagonise people.
I'm not trying to antagonise anyone.
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You stood filming personal people's private cars.
I'm not filming the cars.
You sat there with I've just watched your screen. You're videoing.
I know I'm videoing.
Exactly.
But I'm taking pictures of the fence.
Yeah.
I went to reception, she said it's fine.
PC Morris panics and uses the old excuse, saying you can't film a police station because of current threat levels. But here's the truth he conveniently overlooks. There hasn't been a successful terrorist attack on a UK police station in over 10 years, and none of the recorded plots since 2010 involve someone filming from a public sidewalk. In fact, official guidance from the Met, Home Office, and MPCC all say that photographing police buildings is lawful and doesn't create suspicion on its own. What's even more revealing is that millions of people, including tourists, vloggers, and bus passengers, film police buildings every year, yet only auditors are treated like national security threats.
Why would you take a piece of people's personal car?
I'm not taking pictures of the cars.
When the threat level is very high.
Even if I was taking pictures of the cars,
Yeah.
is it against the law?
You can film. I'm just asking you why would you put a threat level? What do you do for a living?
It's my own business.
Your child.
Am I a child?
Yeah. You don't act like an adult. And...
Do you need retraining now to deal with the public?
No.
I think
really.
you do.
Not really.
What's up with you, mate?
What?
What's up with you?
Nothing.
You got a good photo there?
Video, mate, video.
Video. You do realise that without my permission as a police officer you cannot use that video, and I can confiscate that as well if I need to.
I don't think so.
I do.
What law is that?
That'll be the law and the pace that I'm going to find out at this moment in time.
Alright, am I being detained?
At this moment in time you are.
For what?
Well, we're going to get the code at this moment in time and I'm going to search it under an act.
Alright, yeah.
And then you'll have to provide your details as well.
No, I don't.
Yes, you
No, I
do.
don't.
When you're detained, you do.
No, I don't.
PC Morris clearly doesn't understand his own powers. First, he confidently tells FTA that he can't use his footage without permission and that he can take the camera if needed. That's not policing, it's pure fiction. There's no law in the UK giving a police constable ownership over footage taken in public, and they can't seize a camera unless it contains evidence of a crime. Then, as he gets closer to FTA, Morris suddenly declares him detained. But when FTA asks the crucial question, detained under what power, Morris replies, I'm going to get a code. That's the whole problem right there. He's already taken FTA's liberty without any legal grounds and is now waiting for his colleague to radio him a law to justify the detention.
Are you recording? You should inform me, shouldn't you?
It's there.
It's there. I know you got a camera, but I don't know it's on, do I? Until you inform me.
Do that now. Alright then, at this moment in time, you're detained under section 23 of the Terrorist Act, okay?
23?
Section 43 of the Terrorist Act.
43, right, yeah.
43 of the Terrorist Act. So basically, you're ballied up at this moment in time and you're taking personal videos of that, okay? So I'm going to ask you to remove that at this moment and give me your personal details.
Right, under section 43, I don't have to give my details.
Well, you do at this moment in time. If you fail to provide out under this search at this moment in time, I'll just arrest you, mate.
For what?
For this moment in time, for a possible terrorist act.
So you think I'm a terrorist? I'm overt. I'm not covert.
Okay.
Have you read the memo
What memo?
on people filming around police stations?
I have.
Yeah.
Bit suspicious though, isn't it, pal?
No, it's not suspicious because I've told you exactly what I'm doing.
You're not filming fences?
Yeah.
Why?
I like fences
Why do you like fences?
because that's what I'm into. That's what I do in my free time.
Where's your best fence then that you've done? Show me other videos then of your best fences.
I like police fences.
Like police fences?
Yeah.
Right, so that's a bit suspicious then, isn't it?
Oh, is it?
Right.
PC Morris finally gets the power he's looking for through his radio, but still manages to mess it up. First, he mistakenly mentions Section 23, which has nothing to do with terrorism and isn't even a detention power. When FTA points this out, Morris panics and switches to Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, revealing that he never had a valid reason to detain FTA in the first place. Section 43 requires an officer to have reasonable suspicion of terrorism, not just a man with a camera, not the current threat level, and definitely not a colleague feeding him lines over the radio. The biggest mistake comes when Morris demands FTA's personal details, even threatening arrest if he doesn't comply. This isn't a simple mistake. It's Morris making up powers he doesn't have. Under Section 43, the police can search, but they cannot force someone to provide identification.
Okay, before I search then, you got anything that's going to harm you or me or any of my colleagues?
No.
Okay, do you want to take your hands out your pockets then for us?
Yep.
Make sure you get my good side.
Turn round.
Why's that?
Let's get your good side.
Good side's good side. Like, we got two phones on you?
That one's for phoning. This one's for taking pictures.
I thought you said he was videoing, not taking pictures.
Well, you can take stills of the videos, can't I?
Oh, I see. So you tried to correct me before, but you were wrong yourself, wasn't you?
I'm not wrong, am I?
Well, you was, wasn't you? That Jaguar key. You know what they say about people who drive Jaguars, don't you?
What's that?
They drive Jaguars. Right, balls are going between your legs. Do not kick out. It'll be your... Right. I just think you should leave.
Can I put my stuff back in my pockets?
What's it's your stuff?
Yep.
Right, you got another defence now. I think you should move on.
Once the search comes back negative, PC Morris should have ended the encounter. That's the whole point of a search under Section 43, to confirm or eliminate suspicion. Once nothing is found, the officer's job is done and the tension should fade. But instead of calming down, Morris remains on edge, still treating FTA like a threat. So, when Morris says, "I think you should leave, you've got enough of the fence," it's clear that his words aren't coming from a place of safety or necessity. They come from discomfort and pride. He can't accept that FTA is fully within his rights to stand there and film. Even after proving that FTA isn't carrying anything, Morris continues trying to push him away, like he's trying to save face. A professional officer would have said, "Search complete. You're free to go," and walked off.
Alright, I'll walk down there.
Good. Bye-bye.
Look at this fence, this is interesting. Just going to get all the fences as I walk down, is that alright?
Switch it off, mate. You don't need to.
You can't tell me to switch it off.
Oh, you're right, I can't. But just switch it off, isn't it?
And you never got me details, did you? Because you can't get me details. Under Section 43 you can't. Off you pop.
I'm just here with an update from the solicitors, who've basically confirmed that they've received a response from the defendant, which is the PC Morris, PC 16660 from Longsight Police Station. They have rejected the Part 36 offer, and their stance and liability is not changed. And the only way to progress is to issue court proceedings.
This letter from FTA Solicitors is more revealing than it seems. When a claimant's legal team mentions that the defendant has rejected a Part 36 offer, it's a clear signal. They're denying everything and preparing for the situation to get more expensive. Part 36 offers are meant to provide a chance to settle cheaply. When a police force refuses such an offer, especially in a case where the stop, detention, and search were clearly unlawful, it typically means their legal team is just posturing. So, while the force might have thought rejecting the offer made them seem tough, all it did was tell FTA's team to push harder.
They are of the professional opinion that there are reasonable prospects of success to issue court proceedings. The following reasons are: it is not a criminal offence to record a police officer or police station And this in itself is not enough to satisfy honest and reasonable suspicion that I am a terrorist or engaging in terrorist activity. In their view, they are under no legal obligation to provide details to PC Morris. Even if a court finds that my detainment and search was lawful, PC Morris failed to provide the necessary information prior to the search. This is his name and police station to which he is attached, which could render the lawful search unlawful.
In short, every reason that could have justified this detention was missing. When a solicitor says there are good chances of winning and suggests that a lawful search could become unlawful due to poor procedure, it's clear the police are in trouble. To confirm it, FTA publicly shared that when a viewer told him to sue the officer, he simply replied, "I did and I've been paid out." That's the perfect conclusion. The solicitor explained why FTA's claim would win in court, and FTA later confirmed it happened just as predicted. Another case of officers bluffing with fake powers, getting caught on camera, and paying the price, literally. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this, please like, comment, and subscribe to help me keep doing independent coverage. Also, check out free